Natalie and welcome back to my channel. So I know it's been a while from the last time that I posted something here on my channel. I believe, give or take, like 4 months. So I literally like stopped posting or uploading. I don't know, I just like gotten lazy or discouraged because of the new policy of YouTube. But anyway, I am here now, and today is August 10. It's actually my brother's birthday, Jason. So happy birthday, Jason. I love you. So I think he's 35. Well, so I'm here is because I received my August Boxycharm. As you know, I'm a charmer. I'm receiving this every month, and I don't know when was the last time that I posted Boxycharm. But for this one is for month of August, and the reason why I'm excited to this one is because on Instagram of Boxycharm they show 3 sneak peek, and one of the sneak peek that I can remember is the one that the new palette of Lorelei, the party something or boss party something like that. I was actually wanted to get that palette, but when I told myself, okay, let me get that palette, then when I checked, it was just like sold out. So I was just like, probably not meant to be. But again, like I said, when Boxycharm started showing a sneak peek, that is the first sneak peek that they showed, and I was just like, yes, glad that I didn't get it, because if not, I'll have 2 palettes of those, right? So yeah, like I'm saying is, let's go ahead and unbox this Boxycharm. So normally I always have this box and this scissors, so I always open it in the camera just in case that anything's like broken or missing, you know, that it's on camera and it's not like, you know, oh, she opened it and maybe she took something. But yeah, so let's go ahead and open this one, and this is how it always comes, like that. And then with the, of course, this one showing what's inside. And before, what they do is it comes with always like with 2 cards. One is with the prices of everything, and then other one is like a coupon from company, but this time is they put it all together. There's a 20% Smashbox your next order, and a Lorelei Los Angeles 25% off of your next order. And offer expires 9/15 for this Lorelei, and then the Smash box is through 9/30. So it's really good. I will definitely keep this because I think I want to get something from Smashers and Lorelei, and I think there's another palette from Lorelei that together with this palette that came out. So 25% is definitely big help. Thank you. So let's get started. Like what I always do, as normally I do, is I put this in the front of me so I know how much of each product, and I can let you know. So let's get started. Okay. Oh, I get this one. It's pretty cool. I like this. I got, sorry about that, that's my cell phone. So the first item is from House of Lashes. This is the Siren Mini, handmade with love, and this is yeah, mini lash collection that provides perfect enhancement to the natural beauty. And then let's see how much is the MSRP of this. The House of Lashes MSRP is say between $9 to $12. I do have House of Lashes, so probably because this is mini, so this probably costs $9. And it's really nice though. If you see, I cannot wait to try that. I don't think that I have like this kind of lashes, but it's a good addition. Thank you so much, House of Lashes and Boxycharm. And the next one is the Adidas New York Organic Infused age-defying nail treatment. Honestly, I don't use cuticle oil, and I think I'm not sure where did I get. I think I got one also from Boxycharm, or maybe from other subscription box, but I don't use this, and this is just gonna go to my care package because I get my nails done. But this one is the Adidas Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. The MSRP of this is $18. And maybe I should start joining Facebook Boxycharm page, you know, like, because I know there that if you don't like items, they exchange. But I don't know how that really works, but I will probably give it a try. So yeah, this one is MSRP. Thank you so much. And the next one is, they see Bang Beauty. And this Bang Beauty is, I don't know what is this. It say here chocolate, oh, eyeliner. Chocolate eyeliner. And the MSRP of this is $22. So I guess when it say chocolate, oh, you see, like, the box is like ruined already, and it's open. So yeah, I thought it smells like probably chocolate, but no. So yeah, chocolate eyeliner. This is from Bang Beauty. Thank you so much. Additional eyeliner. Thank you. So this, I guess I got $22. The next one is this, the one that I've been waiting for, is the where is the Lorelei Los Angeles Party Animal Eyeshadow Palette, which is the MSRP is $19. And I will show you why I like this. And look at the shades. It's like bright ass shades. So this is a $19, and the good thing about Lorelei is a cruelty free. And I really like this orange, that one, and this blue one. Yep. So I will do a swatch maybe, but I don't really like doing swatch because I am not done unboxing. But what the heck, so let's do it and let's see how pigmented is this. Like what they always say. So let's start with this Hangover. Let's see. Wow. Yeah, it's very pigmented, as you can see. Nice. It looks like a metallic look, and you know, like the shade, but yeah, wow. And then let's go with bottoms up. This is a pink, and let's do the swatch of this. Okay, that one is probably, I have to add another one because I did 3 things. There you go. So far so good. So let's do the drinks, and this is the bright orange that I wanna try. Let's see. Honestly, I'm not sure how many times I swirl my finger on that purple one, but that one is definitely like very pigmented, and this one is like I have 1, 2, 3, 4. But those are the shades already, and let me wipe my finger, and then let's go with this karaoke. That's how we pronounce it in the Philippines, karaoke. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's like 3 swirl. Let's see. Wow, this blue is really very pigmented, like literally. I like it. Okay, and then let's go with Isa Party or Isa Party. There's like looks like a neon green. Let's, oh, this one is like buttery, but the rest is like it's like kind of chalky. So there, you can't really see it because it's like bright, and it's like light shade, but it's right here, and it's a nice color. Like if you're looking in person, not in camera. So the last one is the damage control. Let's do the damage control. Hold on. Right here. Oh, nice. So yeah, guys, let me do it again. This there. It's kind of show now, but yeah, those are the shades of this Party Animal from Lorelei Los Angeles palette. This is the new one that came out. So, and like I said, its MSRP is $19. Honestly, when I swirl my finger, it's like kind of like dry, kind of like chalky. But this one is like very smooth. But I don't really care how it feels when I, swirl my finger, as long as that is pigmented. And I'm not sure about the fallout yet, but I'll definitely use this on my next makeup look. I don't want to say tutorial because I may not record it, you know, but those are the one. I love the color. I'm in love with it. So thank you so much, Laura Lee and Boxycharm, for this. It's definitely a good decision that I did not get it. It's not like I didn't get it because I don't like it. It's just like I didn't get it because when I decided to get it, it's sold out, you know. And then, like I said, luckily I didn't get it, because if not, I'll have two of this palette, and now I get it free from Boxycharm. Thank you. And look how weird is my arm because I did a swatch. Okay, so let's go. The next item is going to be the from Wonder Beauty, and it's a baggage claim gold eye mask. Okay, so this, of course, a glow eye mask, so it's supposed to be gold. And this one is, let's see, MSRP is $13. It's like, after a night of partying, who doesn't love a good eye mask? So I guess when you go party using this, and then you get home, you can definitely use this, you know. Thank you so much. I don't really use, again, eye mask, you know, because I don't really have that bag or like this coloring. But maybe I'll let Boxy use this and let him try this one. And then, oh, honestly, oops, I didn't know. Oh well, it came with 3 packs. Huh. So maybe that's one for me, one for Boxy, and one for Eleanor, so we could have like bling bling of gold in our under eye. So yeah, thank you so much, Wonder Beauty and Boxycharm, for this one. Okay, last but not the least is I get the Smashbox Always On Liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade of Stepping Out. This is like in the brownish, like nude color, so I really like these kind of shades. I don't get tired of this, and like I said on the Boxycharm, because they have like 5 different kinds of lipstick that every charmer will get, you know. It really depends what it's gonna be in your box. There's a lip palette from Smashbox too, but like I said, I don't really care if what shade of lipstick that's gonna be on my box on Boxycharm, because if I don't like the shades, or Boxy doesn't like the shades either, I always put it in my care package to go to the Philippines, you know. So yeah, it's not a waste anyway. And then let's do this. Smells good. So this is how the shade of this Smashbox. I like it like that. Yeah, I really love that shade. You know, you can't go wrong with like brown like this. Like it's too brown, but you can add some gloss or some light shade and make it a little bit nude. But yeah, I really like this shade. That never get tired of this kind of shade. It goes with everything, every makeup. If you want to go to a simple look, you know, you can put this. If you have like dramatic eyes and you want a simple lips, you can also use this one. So this one is the MSRP of this is, where is that? Again, it's between $21 to $24, so there's no exact amount, but it's still not bad if it's Smashbox, and the formula is really good. And because I have some Smashbox that lipstick, but yeah, that is all for this month of August. Like I said, it came early, you know, this box. I wasn't really expecting it, but I was really looking forward for the one that I was really looking forward is this palette, because I want to try and use it, but not today because I just did my makeup. So yeah, guys, that is all for this unboxing. If you do like this video, please do not forget to hit like. And like I said, I'm sorry, you know, I've been gone, but I'm trying to catch up because I told my family that I'm gonna start doing I'll start vlogging, and so I started recording already. So either I will post that tomorrow, which is Saturday, or it could be Sunday. Yeah, but how do you like this? I really love this shade, so definitely will be in my eyes soon. So yeah, guys, so thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I will definitely see you next time. I love you. Bye.